Welcome everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about present value interest vector, which means PVIF. It seems very tough to calculate, but it is quite easy if you can put the formula effectively and efficiently. So, to calculate the PVIF, we need some variables like rate and period. So, we are going to calculate this. The formula is PV, present value formula. So first we need to select the rate. We need to select the rate, then the period, then as we don't have the payment, so we use 0, and then -1 as future value, and then 0, and we are collecting for the end of the period, closing the bracket. So this is the formula of the present value, and this is the amount. Now for the second phase, we are going to make a chart which is required to the percentage. Firstly 1%, then 2%. So we are gonna make it to 15%. Yes, 15% is enough. 15%, yes. Then here also 15%. Yes, 15%. Then we have to select the table all the way to 15% to 50. Yes, selected. Yes. Then we are going to data, then what if analysis, then data table. Then it shows that we have to put the row input cell, which we are going to put the percentage, and this in this we are going to add the period. Clicking OK. Yes, you can show that this is the full-fledged present value interest factor. Thank you everyone. See you next video.